Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper, Tuesday, January the 19th, 2021. Yes, the second Sudoku is a four-star Sudoku number will be number 2188. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I've already mentioned I've counted all these Sudokus, and it has 25 printed digits. So is it a 3 stars? Is it a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. All right. We have an 8 in this row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7s in those two boxes. The 7 goes in these two boxes. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left. The numbers 2 and 6. No, 6 we have here. The 2 and the uh, one, two, the 2 and the 3, of course. 2 and the 3. And I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two numbers, 2 and a 3. But we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 5 should be there. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those two numbers. All right. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see there 9, no 9 in these two boxes. One box left for the 9. Should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 7 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So the column between, only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so the row above, only place for the 3 should be there. In the first column, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3. Oh, no. Now I cannot continue with the 3. Yeah, I need more digits. All right. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the column between, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then. All right. How about these two numbers in the in this column? Two missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. 2 and the 7. We see here's a 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Two missing numbers now in this column. One, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 8 and a 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So these two numbers in this big square are reserved for the 1 and the 7. Let me mark those two boxes. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is, no, two of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in this row, so no 5 and a 9 in these two boxes. The 5 and the 9 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes. That means the other pair should be the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. Let me mark those two boxes. That means these two boxes in the second row are the missing numbers are the 6 and the 2. 6 and the 2. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left. The 5 and the 8. We have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Yeah. Alright, 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 6. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 3. Nope. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright. 1 and a 4. How about, yeah. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. No, I cannot fill this yet. 1, 1, 1. 8, 4. Yeah. We have a pair. 4 and a 6 in this column. 4 and a 6 in that column. So in the middle column, we have the 4 and the 6 in two of those 3 boxes. We see here 4 and a 6. So in this box, no 4 and a 6. The 4 and the 6 goes in these two boxes. We have there 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes here. 2 missing numbers now in the middle column for the numbers 1 and 9. Nope, 9 we have 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 8 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. 2 and the 3. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9. Yeah. Let me think. 5. 2 and 3. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. 4. How about 4? What's happening? 1 and a 4. Okay. Yeah. How about 4, 4? All right. Let me put some numbers. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between. Only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. And why have I overlooked this 4? Because I have marked those two boxes 1 and a 4, and I have overlooked this 4. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. This should be a 1. All right. And 1 box left in this first column for the number 1. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 7. 7. All right. Two. Okay. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the middle row is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, or could be there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7. 9 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. 7, 9 and 7. These 2 boxes in this column, the second column, 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. 8 and a 9. 1, 2, 3. It's missing 4, 5, 6, 7. He's missing an 8. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 7 and an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row, the 2 and the 8, 2 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 numbers. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be the 9 and this should be the 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be a 3. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. So is it really a 4-star Sudoku? I don't think so. Anyway, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudoku to my channel. Sudokus to my channel, yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus. And those 2 Sudokus will be a tectonic one and a binary one. So see you later. Bye bye for now.